Today we're checking out the Signature Series version 2 light bar DRL projector headlights with black housings and smoked lenses for the 2005 to 2011 Tacomas. These are a great option for Tacoma owners looking to modernize their truck's front end appearance with a slick, custom blacked out look. All right, right out of the box, the standout feature of these headlights has got to be the bar style daytime running lights going around the perimeter. That's gonna provide a clean, modern look that's gonna help you stand out from the stock. If you're going for a blacked out look or wanting to complement any other black accessories on the truck, these are gonna give your front end a nice look. These headlights are gonna use halogen bulbs for both low and high beams, producing 1400 lumens per bulb, which is pretty impressive. That gives you a bright and clear light output, improving driving safety at night and in those low light conditions. The black housings with the smoked lenses add an aggressive, custom appearance to your Tacoma, setting it apart from that factory look. These headlights are designed as direct factory replacements for the factory units, requiring no modifications for installation, which we'll show you here in a minute if you stick with me. The construction here is all about durability and performance. These headlights are fully sealed to protect against moisture and dust, ensuring long-term reliability. These high-quality materials used in the construction are designed to withstand the rigors of daily driving and exposure to the elements. These smoked lenses are UV treated to resist fading and yellowing over time like those stock lights tend to do, and they're going to maintain their appearance and performance. As far as pricing goes on this, they're coming in right around the $400 price range for the pair of both headlights. Considering the enhanced styling, the aggressive look, the improved lighting performance, and that nice blacked out custom look, these represent a solid value for Tacoma owners looking to upgrade their vehicle's headlights. Installation is nice and straightforward, so we're rating this one just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in about 1 hour of your time. Like I mentioned, these headlights are designed for a direct plug-and-play fit, utilizing the factory mounting points and those wiring connections. Now let's see exactly how the install process goes with an install video from one of our extreme terrain customers.
Here's some of these tools we're going to be using. 1/4 inch ratchet, a couple screwdrivers. I mean, it would be ideal to have a trim tool. We're not going to be using that today. Using this electric ratchet to make things a little bit quicker. But and a little flashlight just to see underneath. But that's pretty much it. All right, first things we're going to be doing here is removing the grill. So we got 2 bolts up here. Typically you're going to have pins, clips right here. I'm missing one on this side, so it's only going to be one to be removed. And there's 2 on the bottom. These clips. Like those clips on the bottom are broken, so this is just going to pop right off. All right, next steps, we're going to be popping these clips for this trim so we can access this bolt right here. Let's be gentle with that. Next, we got 2 bolts up here. Now, I'll pop this clip right here. That'll give us access to that bolt right there. The process on this side. So open clip. See, that's the thing, working with plastic in cold weather. Don't mix. Okay. Now we pop this. Gives us access. Alright, so next step, you're going to have these clips right here on both sides, and then there's a bolt on the bottom. In this case, we're missing the clip, so we're just going to go ahead and undo this bolt on the bottom. With the bolt removed, you can pop this out of the way. Gives you access to the bottom bolt of your headlight housing. It's right there. All right, so after you get that bolt off down there, you can just wiggle this right out, like this. Now you got your plugs here on the back for your different bulbs. You should be able to spin these, pop them out, like so. This guy here, that pops out. Okay. Now, all right, next we're gonna be popping these bulbs out. Next, go ahead and close that. Gonna plug it into here. Make sure it's going in the correct orientation. Okay. Go ahead and pop that in there. Twist counterclockwise. Next, transfer the bulb here. Again, twist. Now, plug in this. Okay. Now we can go ahead and fit this headlight. Now we got the headlight housing in the correct position. Going to just put these bolts back in. 1, 2, 3, 4 underneath. Pop this trim back in, and we should be good to go. Be careful putting these back in. Notice I'm not using the electric ratchet with this. Just want to be super careful putting them back in for sure. Don't need to be torque tight, just snug. Okay, now go to this bolt here. Alright, so I found this one to be a little bit easier with the screwdriver. Just to come in from the top. That's secure, that's secure. Now we move to the one on the bottom. Alright, so with this bolt tightened on the bottom of the housing, basically now we're just gonna pop this trim back in. Once this is back in place, put that back in. You line up this bolt on the bottom, and you're good to go. All right, next when you're popping this trim piece back in, careful with this. Careful. These pins can be a little bit of. Let's see. This might not be the correct pin. Alright, on to the final part. You got both headlights installed. It's the same for both sides, same procedure. Now we're going to go ahead and put this back on. Alright, so with some difficulty, we finally got one of these clips back in. We're going to have to purchase another one from the store. For now, we're just going to install it as is.
All right, that wraps up our review and install of the Signature Series version 2 Light Bar DRL projector headlights with black housings and smoked lenses for the 2005 to 2011 Tacoma. And for all things Tacoma, keep it right here at Extreme Terrain.